water, Silky Smooth hummus, well, the nice hummus that you get from the Middle East. It's really easy and simple. You only need 6 ingredients, and they are chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, garlic, lemon, and tap water. This is the secret technique. Don't throw away the aquafaba, which is also known as chickpea water, and you need a very powerful blender. We want a blend tech. Add the chickpeas with the water. Now add the olive oil, and I'm not being that careful about the measurements because it's all about the consistency. Peel the garlic skin off. I'm squeezing my lemons. I don't need to chop my garlic, the blender will do it for me. It's working so hard it's actually warm. Add salt for taste. If you wanted it to be a bit thicker, then I guess you could add less aquafaba. I've toasted some flatbread, now let's have a test. That is aquafabulous.